Hey guys, so we're downstairs now. Our downstairs looks like Christmas exploded because it did. We wrapped all the Christmas presents and stuff for everybody. Here's some of them. I think these are mine. I think those ones are mine. There's a Baby Yoda bag over there, but you can't really see it. But here's my nail table. It's a little bit of a mess. Please ignore it. Welcome to Ella's Ratchet Nail Salon. So the reason it's a little bit of a mess is because the other day I painted this hand and then was planning on painting this hand the next day, but I never did because I was sick. So, oh yeah, here's some of the things for my advent. The thing that I got on day one. It's a little Sephora nail polish. It's actually really pigmented. I used it on my mom when I did her toes. And then this really pretty, I like this a lot. Like, I'm kind of obsessed with it, and I kind of want to put it on my toes next time I do my toes. So those are super cute from Sephora. So yeah, this is my little nail salon setup. I have an LED lamp. Here, I'll just show you here. Okay, it's a mess. Like, I don't want to show you guys, but like, I want to show you guys. So let me just like clean it up a little bit. If you guys want me to film like a proper tour, then please let me know of like my nail area, because I would so be down for that. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit, even though it's a little bit of a mess. Okay, so I have this really old placemat from like the dollar store, so we're gonna start over here really quickly. I'm just gonna glance over some things. I have extra face masks, some wet wipes, and like a little notebook that I write down like my tip sizes in so it goes quicker. I have like a nail cutter. I have a bunch of these like random nail swatches that I've done, and then all of my files except for the 3 that I was using over here. And I just have like some hand cream for when I do my mom's nails. So in this drawer, we just have like, these are my essentials. Like, I have like my poly gel brush, my nail glue, tweezers. That helps me open things. I don't use these anymore because I have lint-free ones. And there's just like some buffers. These are all of my tools and stuff. And then I have a bunch of glitters and charms and stuff. Look how cute these are. I did my nails Disney, but then we thought we had COVID, so then we didn't go to Disney. Very sad. This is like sticky tack to help me put nails onto my practice finger, by the way. These are all of my gel polishes that have decided to fall over. I got my first gel polishes, which are these ones right here that are tiny ones from Amazon, and then I have invested in a couple ones from Gelish. They were on sale though, to be honest. And then I have a lot of ASP brand, and then the lavender, which is what those are. And then I just have like glaze, and then this like a random one, I don't even know what brand this is, Sally Hansen, I guess. And then this like UV nails brand. I have like a cuticle remover, a little dish. I have a bunch of forms, but like I said, I'm still learning how to do acrylic. I just have like a bunch of random nail stuff back there. And then here I have a lot. So I'm asking for like one of those acrylic holders that goes on the wall to hold nail polish, and it's probably where I'll put all these so I can free up some drawer space. And this is where I keep like slips, or no, this is monomer. And I have some different poly gels down here. And then I have some more of those nail swatch sticks. And then I have like my acrylic powders back there. Here are my tips, which is what I've been using recently. Here are my poly gel forms. I have some different things back there. I have a pedal for my nail drill. And then here's the swatches that I give when I do my mom's nails, or my grandma's nails, or my sister's nails. This is all the regular polish, and then these are designs, and then back there, or somewhere around here, I have all of the gel swatches. Here they are. There's a lot. There's like, I have like all my gel polish swatches, so I just let them look at those to see what colors they want to pick out. And then I just have like cuticle oils and top coats. And this is kind of like a junk drawer a little bit. It just has like some random things in here, like some packaging. And then these are my full tips, the ones that are kind of like press-ons. I used to use those a lot, and sometimes if I'm not feeling like poly gel, I'll use them. So yeah, I don't think the box wants to close. And then over here, oh, these are a surprise for my cousin. I made her some press-on nails, so Courtney, you didn't see anything. Then I just have this thing of acetone that I'll sometimes like soak my fingers in. I only use it for me. And then these are some nail files. These are my favorite ones. They're from Sally Beauty. I love Sally's. Like, if you want to get me a Sally's gift card, that would be very much appreciated. But yeah, the Beauty Secrets Superior Nail Products. These are literally the best thing ever, and they're washable, so they'll never like go dull. This one's from like 5 and Below. I just use it on the natural nail because my other one from Beauty Secrets that's for the natural nail is upstairs in my room. Then this is the color that I'm using. I put it on here and use a brush to apply it because I don't like the brushes on this brand. We have my Ratchet Looking Practice Finger. We don't need to look at that for Christmas. I'm asking for one of those hands that comes over that you can like practice on and stuff. We have alcohol, the necessities, alcohol and acetone. And then I keep this bottle because it has a really nice like spout on it. And then I just buy these from like the dollar store and refill them into here. That's my drink. This is the polygel. I'm almost out and it's really sad, but, and then this is just a cuticle oil that I have here. And then this is my little like dampen dish. I am not reading Percy Jackson. I'm actually reading Harry Potter right now. So isn't this Percy Jackson or no? This is the Heroes of Olympus. I don't really know. I'm not reading these books right now. I'm reading Harry Potter right now, but I just used to hold up my iPad and stuff so I can watch stuff. And this is my nail lamp. I want to get a new one, hopefully soon. And then I have my mini nail lamp, which is one of the gifts that I got from my grandma in one of my countdowns. It's really cute. You literally just press it down and it does it. It's called like a mouse one. It's from a cart. Really nice. Highly recommend. Super affordable and I love it. These are all my brushes. Some of them are paint brushes and they work perfectly fine. This is my beautiful nail drill that I almost broke on multiple occasions that I got last year. I've had this for about a year now, which is very surprising. I don't know why. I've been doing nails for over a year. So I actually figured out I've had this for a year, and only, I would say maybe like a month ago, I discovered that these aren't air holes, or I was saying that I wanted to get a new nail drill so I could have my bits stand up in it. And then I looked at this and I was like, wait a second, I think mine does it. And it does. Right now I just have a carbine bit on it with, I think it's like a medium grit. Yeah, like a medium grit on there. And then I just have some sanitizer. And then I have this, which I'll use with my mom sometimes because she likes to use regular polish, not gel. And then I have some random saline solutions kind of holding this set of cords up. We do not need to talk about how many cords are going on here. And then that's another nail lamp that I have there, but it's like really old and I don't like it as much as this one. And then I have this box of lint-free nail wipes that I got from Amazon. Super cheap. You get a crud ton of them, and so I just leave them here so they're easy grab. And then my Christmas tree. Oh, and then I brought my ring light down here because I wasn't using it that much to film, because I've been doing vlogs, not sit down videos, so I thought I'd bring it down here. So I have this lighting and this lighting, and I normally have a lamp here, but I brought it upstairs to do my diamond paintings with. So, and then I have this Slumu bag right here, but I don't really use it for anything. And then I just have some disinfectant wipes. So yeah, that's what I've gotten. That's what I've got down here in my little cave. But yeah, I want to take this stuff down off the wall, or at least stuff back there maybe. And because it's like all my dad's stuff, his Jordan poster fell down, so ignore that. Because I want to like redo it and make it nail themed, especially if I get that acrylic nail polish holder that I want. That has to go on the wall, obviously. And then one of the most annoying things is that I can't see the TV when I'm faced like this. That's why I have my iPad and stuff like that. Okay, well, we're gonna get started. I might just film like a time lapse of me doing all this. If you guys want a more in-depth thing on like another Vlogmas, or maybe just like a video on how I do my nails and stuff, I will happily do one of those. I might just include it in a Vlogmas because I stress out so much on trying to make a video perfect that I forget about the purpose of what I'm supposed to be doing in a video sometimes. So, okay, so I already have the polygel and the tips on, and it is kind of lifting slightly. But I'm just going to go ahead and paint it. I'm not putting any more polygel on. I'm just going to paint it. I need to file down this one nail a little bit. I just have my face mask, which hangs onto my ring light. And I wear a face mask if I'm working with my drill, a file, or acetone, pretty much. gonna clean up, and yeah. Okay, so I'm watching Cole and Savannah's newest video, and in it Cole gets tested for COVID, and so I paused it because I wanted to react to it, because if you don't know, I've gotten tested twice for COVID. One, I did it myself, and the other one, someone did it to me, and I didn't even have time to film it because it went so quickly, and it was traumatic to say the least. So I'm gonna react to Cole getting it done. Going to grocery stores. If you don't know, I love Cole and Savannah. If you guys want to know a fun fact, my old private Christian school that I used to go to when I lived in Florida, my PE coach was Mr. LeBrant. My PE coach is Cole LeBrant's uncle. So that's like a little fun fact. And I used to be like best friends with my PE teacher. So, and he's like in his vlogs whenever they go to like see them in Florida and stuff. So that's just like a little fun fact about me. My friend also met them once because they came to a college that my friend goes to in Tennessee, that my cousin also goes to. Just thought that was kind of cool. And Cole used to come to all the football games at my old school. So that's just like a little fun fact. But I'm nervous, but I want to see him get done. Oh, it's so... That's not fair. Oh. They did not go up far enough. They literally went up like that far into my nose. I'm not even kidding you. And also, how did they get rapid testing in California? We don't have rapid testing here. Rude. They did not go up far enough, so you better not complain. Okay, I'm gonna clean up. Oh yeah, here's your nails. Right now, I am uploading Vlogmas day 1. It is past midnight. I do realize that, so technically it's day 2. I just got it done. So yeah, I picked out my outfit for tomorrow because tomorrow, I have to go to the the ENT, the ears, nose, and throat doctor. We're just full of doctor's appointments, aren't we? This is gonna take a while. By the time that if it uploads as long as it says it's taking, it'll be past the time that I'm supposed to be in bed. So, we love that. So it's gonna take an hour and 30 minutes, which is abnormally long. So maybe it's just like glitching. Fingers crossed. But I got my outfit picked out for tomorrow. It's this cute little Mickey Mouse shirt from Kohl's probably, and then this super cute little fuzzy flannel that I got is actually, I got it in an extra large because I wanted it to be oversized. I got it from Walmart, a little steal. And then I'll probably just wear like my Air Forces or some boots. Oh, and black leggings. So that's what I plan to wear. So I'm just taking off my jewelry. But I just finished editing the new intro for Vlogmas, and I don't know how I feel about it. So let me know on my Instagram what you guys think of it. Just so y'all know, that handwriting is all mine. That's why it's so sloppy. No, I kind of wanted it to be like sloppy, just kind of like I drew it out, which is exactly what I did. Anyways, I think I'm going to get that uploaded, then edit this and go to bed. So I love you guys and thank you for watching. I'm also going to take off my makeup, even though apparently I didn't do a very good job of covering up my blemish. Also ignore my closet. Oh, what's that? A Louis Vuitton bag? That's actually one of my most prized possessions. I have a vintage Louis Vuitton bag and I love it. Anyways, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to become an official superstar. Give this video a huge thumbs up and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching my Vlogmases and all of my videos. We just hit 780 subscribers, which is incredible. So hopefully we can get those subscribers up and hit 1,000. But we're a little far, but we're getting there. We're close. So yeah, tell your friends, share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. L out. Peace. Bye, y'all.
I begin to